What's up, gamers? If you're looking for a high-quality gaming PC case that won't break the bank, but still gives you awesome cooling, sick RGB lighting and solid airflow, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best RGB gaming cases under $50 that look great, perform even better, and give you the most bang for your buck. We're talking sleek designs, RGB lighting that will make your friends jealous, and airflow that will keep your components icy cool, all without emptying your wallet. So, whether you're building your first gaming PC or just looking to upgrade on a budget, stick around, because we're about to dive into some seriously awesome cases that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to get a killer gaming setup. Let's jump right in! Kicking off our list is the AeroCool Cylon RGB mid-tower case, and let me tell you, this thing is a steal for under $50. The AeroCool Cylon has this super sleek RGB LED slash right on the front panel. With 13 lighting modes including 6 RGB flow options and 7 solid colors, you can customize the look to match your style or your setup. AeroCool knows that gamers need their systems to stay cool, especially when pushing those frames per second. That's why the Cylon is built for cooling, supporting up to 5 fans. And if air cooling isn't your thing, don't worry, this bad boy can even handle a 240mm radiator for liquid cooling. The AeroCool Cylon is compatible with ATX, Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, and to top it all off, this case comes with a full acrylic side panel, so not only can you see all the glorious components you've crammed in there, but you can show them off to the world. Overall, the AeroCool Cylon RGB mid-tower case is an absolute steal for the price. It's got the looks, the cooling potential, and the compatibility to build a solid gaming PC without breaking the bank. This case punches way above its price point. Next up, we've got the DeepCool Matrexx 55V3, and this one is straight up premium on a budget. It just oozes that high-quality feel. And the first thing you'll notice? Tempered glass panels on both the front and side. This gives the Matrexx 55V3 a sleek, modern look that you usually only find on cases twice its price. They also added a subtle RGB strip right on the front panel. It's controlled with a simple LED button on the front panel. No need to mess around with software or anything like that. The DeepCool Matrexx 55V3 supports ATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. It doesn't matter what kind of setup you're rocking, the Matrexx 55V3 can handle it. DeepCool knows that a cool PC is a happy PC, so they made sure the Matrexx 55V3 has excellent airflow. With support for up to 6 fans, you can create a cooling solution that's as aggressive or as laid back as you need. DeepCool also included dust filters on the top and bottom of the case. These filters are a lifesaver, especially if you're like me, and your PC tends to double as a dust magnet. They're easy to remove and clean, and they do an amazing job of keeping your components free of dust and debris. Honestly, for the price, the DeepCool Matrexx 55V3 is an absolute steal. It's got the looks, the features, and the build quality of a case twice its price. If you want a case that screams style and performance without breaking the bank, look no further. This one's a no-brainer. Alright, for all you Micro-ATX builders out there, listen up. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is about to become your new best friend. This little case is compact, stylish, and packs a serious punch when it comes to performance. Some people just want a sleek, compact build that doesn't take up their entire desk. And that's where the Thermaltake Versa H18 comes in. This little guy is perfect for building a powerful yet compact gaming PC. It's got a clean, modern design with a mesh front panel and a perforated side panel. They're strategically placed to maximize airflow and keep your components running cool, even during those intense gaming sessions. Speaking of cooling, the Thermaltake Versa H18 comes with a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, and if you want to step up your cooling game, don't worry, Thermaltake has got you covered. The Versa H18 has room for additional fans, and you can even squeeze in a liquid cooling setup if you're feeling adventurous. The Thermaltake Versa H18 is surprisingly spacious for a Micro-ATX case. You'll have no problem fitting in a full-size ATX power supply, a beefy graphics card, and a decent-sized CPU cooler. So, if you're looking for a compact, stylish, and affordable Micro-ATX case, the Thermaltake Versa H18 is a fantastic option. It's well built, it's got great airflow, and it won't break the bank. Alright, coming in at number 4 is the Fractal Design Focus G, and this one's for all the airflow enthusiasts out there. The Fractal Design Focus G is all about keeping your components cool. With support for up to 6 fan mounts, you can create a wind tunnel that would make a hurricane jealous. They know that not everyone wants to buy a bunch of extra fans, so they threw in 2 pre-installed 120mm LED fans at the front. That means you're getting great airflow from the get-go, no extra purchases required. The Fractal Design Focus G has a very open-air design. The front panel is basically just a giant mesh, which allows for maximum airflow into the case. And the side panel? Well, it's not your typical solid side panel, it's got these large vents that run along the side, providing even more airflow into the case. The Focus G comes with dust filters on the front, top, and bottom of the case, ensuring that your components stay dust-free, even with all that airflow. But the Fractal Design Focus G isn't just about airflow, it's also a surprisingly stylish case. It's got a very clean, minimalist design that will look great on any desk, and the large side window panel lets you show off all your hard work. So, if you're looking for a case that maximizes cooling performance without sacrificing style or affordability, the Fractal Design Focus G is an excellent choice. It's well built, it's got fantastic airflow, and it comes with everything you need to keep your components running cool and quiet. Alright gamers, meet the Cougar MX330, a real crowd pleaser. It's versatile for LAN parties, late-night gaming, or just chilling. The MX330 handles any build with ease. Plenty of room for high-end graphics cards. Supports various liquid cooling setups. Up to 5 fans for optimal cooling. Transparent side panel and sleek black finish. All this for under $50. The Cougar MX330 is versatile, affordable, and reliable. And there you have it. 5 amazing gaming cases under $50 that deliver style, performance, and killer cooling without breaking the bank. Honestly, you guys, building a gaming PC on a budget has never been easier. These cases prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a rig that looks good and performs even better. So which one of these budget-friendly beauties caught your eye? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more budget gaming tips, PC builds, and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay with us, stay cool, and game on.